In this episode, the average man takes on another fantastic quote from the school of Stoicism, this time coming from Marcus Aurelius. Meditate often on the interconnectedness and the mutual interdependence of all things in the universe. Marcus Aurelius. Sometimes I am just flat out blown away by the wisdom that comes out of the Stoic masters. I personally don't think that the Stoics are known that well for their connection to the universe and actually meditating. I know that Marcus Aurelius wrote a book called Meditations, but it's more about thinking and writing over actually crossing your legs and dwelling on the universe and wondering what the cosmos and your place in it is. And this is what this quote is really talking about. It's really dwelling on the fact that we are all interdependent and we are all connected. Now, you could argue that this is not something that most people would know about Stoicism. If you were to ask the layman, stop somebody on the street and be like, what do you think a Stoic is, or what do you think Stoicism is? People will probably lean on the cold, indifferent, emotionless person, or take a more law view of it and be like, oh, somebody who's Stoic is somebody who's just very straightforward and just does the thing, just doesn't let things affect them. And they would be right in saying that, because that is part of Stoicism and how it has grown. However, when you peel back the layers and you start reading a little bit deeper, they definitely thought of themselves as citizens of the world. They thought of themselves as part of the universe, as part of the cosmos. This is one of the most beautiful parts of Stoicism in my mind. I love dwelling on the universe. I love thinking about the size of things. I love just dwelling on how insignificant I am, and that also helps me with my Stoic practice. For me, this even gets into systems thinking when it comes to a business idea, that everybody is connected, everything is connected. The system that you work in, like the department you work in, is connected to other departments, and what goes on in that department can affect this department, or what goes on politically over here can affect financially over here. What goes on in country on the other side of the world can affect the price of bananas in this side of the world. Whatever it is, we are all interconnected, whether you're living in Thailand, Australia, Scotland, Northern Ireland, Canada, the USA, or Venezuela. We're all on this little round dot in the middle of the universe together on a shared journey. The only way I feel to really understand this quote is through direct experience. If you don't take the time to spend 30 minutes or an hour alone once or twice a week, you will not really get to understand the interconnectedness and the interdependence of everything around us. The universe is a beautiful place, and the best way to really understand these words from Marcus Aurelius is to spend some time alone. So that's an exercise for you if you wish after you finish watching this video. And obviously, given a like button and comment below. Take some time alone. Turn off your phone, turn off the television, don't play any video games, and just be alone for a little bit. And think about something. Think about something in your life that is important to you. It could be your job, it could be a project, it could be a member of your family, and then think about who they could be important to, or think about how many other people your work is important to, or think about how many people are working on the project and what they might be hoping to get out of it. Whatever it is that you choose, think about how it's interconnected with not only you but other people, and how that spreads out like a ripple effect that could probably loop around the world very quickly. If you want to experience other Stoic lessons I have learned, you can check out the iCard above. Also, you can hit that subscribe button and follow along and get lots more content on my struggling to succeed journey. My mission here is to deliver bite-sized videos each week that can hopefully help you start your journey of success. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. And as always, make it a good one.